and good price rarely comes together. Right now, is great. It's never been this good. So you may feel good and you will feel great. But do you think stock market investors now need to take a deep breath and say, okay, last 10 years have been great for wealth creation. Next 10 years may not be that great for wealth creation because a lot of money is in the price.
So Nikunj, I don't think mega trends finish off in a few years. Mega trends can last way longer. I probably think India will not go the China way. India will go probably the US way. And US has been essentially an ocean of wealth creation now for 50 years or 100 years. It's not been a journey. China's journey of wealth creation was only 10 years. Somebody was telling me that last 20 years or 25 years, 20 years, China has been flat. The public markets have not delivered returns in China. I think versus that, it is US which has essentially created phenomenal wealth. Even now, probably even over the last 1 year, US markets have probably been better performing markets. So I probably don't think we should get into that wealth preservation mode. Obviously, wealth preservation always remains. You always try and put your downside first. You always say what can go wrong rather than what can be possible on the way up. So that always remains. That mantra of trying to protect capital, trying to preserve capital, trying to avoid mistakes, trying to avoid losers, that should always be your first stepping stone. But I don't think we are done yet. I probably think the journey has only started. And the best way to look at this is what the United States achieved over a very long period of time. So obviously, along the way, we will have to probably go a bit like the China way. We will have to go a bit like the South Korea way. We'll have to go a bit like the Japan way in terms of creating our manufacturing capabilities and that helping that shift from farm to factories. That obviously has to be there. But eventually, I think given the head start that we have in the world of technology, in the world of digitalization, the fact that we are a democracy, my view is the template should be what United States has done over 50 or 100 years, rather than what China has done over the last 10 or 20 years.
Okay. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.